Hi everybody, my name is Marin with NuCucina, and today we're going to be unboxing the French press coffee maker. So opening the box, the first thing that you're going to see is a nice little user guide to get started using your French press, along with simple instructions of how to start making coffee. Everything comes packaged nice and neatly. It's bubble wrapped so nothing gets broke. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this jar out. This is going to be a BPA glass, 34-ounce capacity, and the first thing that I noticed right away are these awesome water level measurements. That makes it super easy. As I pull up the plunger and the lid, we're gonna have a couple bonus items in the jar, which are a couple extra mesh filters, as well as a nice little measuring spoon for your coffee grounds. This is about 7 grams, which works perfect for this jar. And this is a really easy thing. We've got an upgraded filter separator here, which screws into 2 mesh filters, which is why we got 2 extra ones. It makes your coffee really smooth, and it makes sure no extra grounds get in your cup. And that goes right together in between the filter separator and the filter cross plates. Lastly, you have a nice little filter here for when you pour, just in case any extra coffee grounds get through the actual filtration system. And now you're good to go. This was unboxing the NuCucina French press coffee maker. My name is Marin, and thank you for watching this video.